Hello, everybody. This can be a quick demo on how to uh, check out and make sure your Ruby is installed correctly, including the TK and OpenGL bindings libraries. So as you can see, I've installed a bunch of things, including OpenGL. I installed TK before, but OpenGL bindings don't gem install OpenGL. Make sure you gem install OpenGL bindings along with all the other things on our webpage. If you come into Ruby and you've opened it up to your repo, you'll be able to navigate into the source main Ruby installation check directory, and everything looks clean if you're doing this at the beginning of the semester. I want to run TK first. I can run this guy as a run TK check. See, it brings up this button below. If you can see this button, then it seems to be working. We click to exit, and so that worked. I can then run OpenGL check, and I can run that check. I just do this by doing hotkey, like it is Control-Shift-F10 or something. You should be able to see a red triangle. And then if I run this last one, I have the 3 right here. Let me see, OpenGL check, and then run it. See, it brings up a Ruby texture. And so hopefully your installation is working. If it's not working, hopefully it's early in the semester. We don't use Ruby until about 2 months in. So it's good to try this right away, and then we'll troubleshoot any problems that you have well before we end up starting the thing. So hopefully this worked for you. If not, reach out to us and we'll help you get it to work.